Mr. Garco, Mr. Garco. Oh wait, I guess he isn't in here. Well, I'll have to come back later. Huh, that's weird, the door won't open. Oh my God, what is that? What just happened? I don't know, I'm just gonna go now. Hey, Mr. Weber.
Good morning.
Can I borrow a cup of coffee? I'm having a rough day.
You bet.
The strangest thing just happened in Garco's classroom.
What happened?
I was standing in there and all of a sudden just all the color drained from the room. The door locked and I couldn't get out, and then I saw just somebody standing there, just really weird.
Whoa, you're kidding.
Oh my God, it's happening again. Who are you? What are you doing? Did you just see that, Mr. Weber?
What?
I think I'm gonna go. Thank you for the coffee.
You're welcome.
What is going on today? This is weird and I really, really don't like it. I really wonder what's going on with that ghoul thing. Like, I really just don't know. Like, why is it following me? Yeah! What just happened? I gotta clear this up. Who would know about this? Maybe Wasser? Hey Wasser, I'm being haunted. Do you know anything about why I might be being haunted?
Arthur, so 40 years ago, when Mr. Tonelli was 45 years old, 40 years ago, the bell rang, it was a Friday, and Arthur was so excited to leave the school and get out for his weekend that he was running and he hit a pillar. He fell back, and because of his backpack and how his backpack was placed, he fell on his back and his soul left his body. And so this whole time he has been searching around and stuck in the school even though he wants to be out. And then when you came in the school, he saw that you had the same backpack as him. And it made him angry because you got to leave every day. And so he's been haunting you because he's upset about that.
So what do I need to do with the backpack?
Burn it.
Okay, thank you, Wasser. I guess Wasser said I need to burn my backpack to get rid of this awful nightmare. So I should go do that as quick as possible. Move, I need to burn my backpack. Mr. Garco, Mr. Garco, Mr. Garco, Mr. Garco. What's the best way to burn a backpack?
I can show you, but I can't tell you.
Perfect, thank you. Okay, how do you do it?
So it's just that mix of chemicals?
Yep. Well, I'm glad that's over. Oh my God.
Why would I be so sure about that?
You gotta be kidding. Mr. Garco, Mr. Garco, Mr. Garco, Mr. Garco, Mr. Garco, Mr. Garco, Mr. Garco. What's the best way to burn a backpack?
Hold on, do that again, sorry.
Yeah! That works. Move, I need to burn my backpack.